Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a really good affiliate marketing method that you can use, and you can potentially make up to $500 per day, probably pretty quickly, I would imagine, over a short period of time. It's on a relatively unknown site that I just didn't know about myself actually until just today, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And you can make some good money with affiliate marketing on this particular site. All right, so if you want to stick around, it involves copying and pasting pretty much. Stick around, watch this. We're going to get started on it here right now. But before we do, what I want to do, of course, is like I always tell you guys, I want to invite those of you that are new people, new to my channel, new to my videos. And anytime during the video that you think about it, while we're watching it here, reach down if you want to below the video and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it too, guys. And that way I can notify you when I upload new videos, such as this one right here that we're doing right now. Okay, and also anytime during that video you feel like it, you get some value out of it, reach down there and mash that thumbs up button for me if you would. It'll help my channel out as well. Thanks guys, appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get started on this. There's a few steps to do here on this. Now I'm going to be using Clickbank. Guys, you can use Digistore 24, you can use JVZoo, just any affiliate product that you want. And like I always say too with affiliate marketing, it's the more you do, the more chances you have to make even more money. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to show you one way to do this today, and the rest of it you can just do as any products that you want. All right, now, so I'm going to be using Clickbank here to do this. All right, now what I did was, if you don't have an account at Clickbank, guys, it's free to sign up. Just come over to clickbank.com and sign up, and they will send you an email confirmation. Get all that validated and verified. Come back, get logged in, and click on Marketplace right up here, and it'll bring you over here to the affiliate marketplace here. Now, I just clicked on the search engine right here. I didn't type anything in the search box, as you see, and I just clicked on this, and it brought up the most popular products, which are mostly weight loss products. So I'm going to use in the weight loss niche today because it's just the hottest niche basically in the world right now. I mean, specifically since we're coming into the summer months here, right? People want to lose weight and get ready to go to the beach and look good, I guess. All right, so now you can do this. Like I said, there are all kinds of categories over here on the left, guys. You can just pick whatever products you want to do this with. All right, now I'm picked this one right here. I like this one. It says right here that this I carry a juice right here. You see it, and it's brand new for 2022. It's a white hot weight loss offer. It's crushing it, and you can see the gravity right here, guys. 268 people that are selling this product on Clickbank and doing good with it, making money. You can make $144.39 per sale. Now it does show well, it doesn't have recurring billing. If you want, you can get a product. I in fact recommend you use a product also that has recurring billing on it, because that means it has a subscription to it, and you can come back every month when people buy. You can come back and you're going to get to make more money when they re-up. What we do is we're going to come back here in a little bit. We're going to get our promote button here, or promote this, and get our affiliate link. But first of all, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using YouTube videos, guys. Today we're going to download YouTube videos and use them because we're going to upload them to a completely, relatively unknown site that most people don't know about, and I'll save that for you here for just a moment later. Now, what you did, and you notice I told you I'm in the weight loss niche here, so I typed weight loss in up here on YouTube, and then I clicked right here, and I chose Creative Commons right here under the features column. And we do that so that because we're going to use YouTube videos, we don't want to get caught for any copyright or anything like that. So you choose Creative Commons underneath filters. All right, and that brought up a search here, and I scrolled down here, and I've already stepped ahead just a little bit in this video, guys, to kind of hold the time down so it doesn't drag on and on so long. And I found this particular product right down here, this particular video, rather I should say. It's about 6 minutes long. It's 200-pound weight loss without hunger. And I clicked on that, and then opened that up, and then what it does is that what we want to do is we want to copy this link. So what I did was copy the link right here, guys. Right click it, highlight it, and copy it. And then what I did was also, and then I came over here to my search engine, at Microsoft Bing. I use the Bing search engine. And you'll notice right up here I typed download YouTube videos for free. And then clicked enter, and it brought up a whole bunch of these. And I just went ahead and did use this one right here. It's 9convert.com. You'll find a whole bunch of them that you could use. 9convert.com, and I clicked on that and came over, and it allowed me, I don't think I got it up, but well, just open it up here so you can see what it looks like. And then I clicked in here, and I clicked start, and it brought it up, and it converted it over and allowed me to download it, and that is here on my computer in my downloads folder right here. Click on it there. As you can see, it's right there. 200-pound weight loss without hunger, MP4, right? All right, so once you have that done, once you have your video downloaded and that you picked that's related to your niche, right? You're going to keep the videos related to your product. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this site right here that we're going to be putting up on. This is the site, and it's got really good traffic, guys. If you look here, it's called Brand New Tube. Look up here in the address bar, guys. BrandNewTube.com. You see that? BrandNewTube.com. This is a similar site to YouTube. In fact, well, why would we use this site? Well, not only is it free to join and free to upload, just like YouTube, but also, if we click on our similar web right here, guys, it comes out, and you see we're on brandnewyoutube.com here, or BrandNewTube, not YouTube. And if I scroll up here, you can see that the monthly visits right now to this site is about 2.4 million people. And then if I scroll up even farther and we see the traffic, where it's coming from, if you look right here, guys, 41% United Kingdom, about 20% United States, Australia, Canada, and Germany, guys. Those are the top 5 tier traffic countries in the world right there. That's why we're going to be using this site, because it's free. It's got really good quality traffic on here. All right. So what you want to do when you get here is you want to click, and if you click on upload, it's going to bring this up right here, and you're going to have to log in if you don't have an account, or click on register right here, guys. And when you do, it brings this up right here, and you just fill out your username, pick a username, email address that you're going to use, and a password, another password, confirm your gender, your age, select the country that you're in, guys. Here we go. It's all over the world. It doesn't matter. You can use this site. All right, anywhere you're at. Check the box right here that you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. And don't forget to check the little garbage box right here. I don't like these, but you got to do them. Check that, and then just simply click on sign up. All right? And when you do, they will send you an email confirmation. So make sure that you get your account verified on this site. And then once you do, now you can come over here. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in here. All right, and then you can see that gets me logged in right here. And that's my account. You can come, a lot of different things you can do down here. You can get subscriptions, playlists, history, liked videos that you upload, your videos, any articles you do, a video studio, which I imagine you could probably work with edit your own videos and stuff here, right here on this site, just like YouTube does, a YouTube studio. And then you got your settings, and then log out right here. So what you will do then, when you get logged in, what we're going to do then is we're going to come over here and we're going to click on upload right here, guys. And you can see that tells us right here, go ahead and drag and drop our video, or we can just click upload right here. And then we'll go over here to downloads, and we'll just click right there. And you can see that it's uploading it right here, guys. It shows you even the percentage of it. All right, and then once that gets uploaded, it should. It says processing. It might take a moment. Yeah, it shows us right here a little bit of a thumbnail on this. And there you go. And now, but what we want to do is it's asking us for the video title, and it looks like it already put it in there for us. That's pretty cool. Now we need a video description here. What we're going to do is we're going to come back to right here, and we're going to use the affiliate tools. I clicked on the affiliate page right here, guys. We're going to use the affiliate tools right here, and I chose email swipes to get my information from. So what I'm going to do, click right here, and I'm going to copy this bit of information right here. All right, and then bring that back over here to our upload thing. I'm going to click on that right there, paste that in, and I'm going to put here, check out this amazing product. Spell it right, I'll be in good shape. To burn weight fast. We'll see there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come back and get our link. All right, we're going to click on promote right here, and make sure that you have your account nickname in the box right here, guys. Put a tracking ID if you want. You can type in there like brand new tube or something like that. Just going to leave it blank for this. It's optional. And then just click on here, and we will get our link right there. And we're going to copy that. Now, we're going to bring it over, and we're going to, of course, we're going to go to bit.ly.com, and we're going to shorten that thing up. Okay. We're going to paste in our Clickbank long link right there, and we're going to click on shorten right here, guys. And that gives us this nice little short bit.ly link right here. And then, of course, well, oops, didn't do it right there. Close this out. My mouse, there we go. Mouse is acting weird today. And then what we want to do is we want to test it, guys. We're going to test that bit.ly link. Like I always say, test those links, make sure they do what you want it to do, and then it does. It brings over here to the iCarrier Juice. They have a good video sales page here that looks really nice. Good quality colors. Talks a lot about it. It's a really good landing page. Alrighty, and then so we know that it works, and our account nickname is also in the bar up here too. Alright, so we're good there. Now we want to come back here, and we're going to paste that link, that bit.ly link, right in there, just like that. And then now you can choose the category. We've got lots of different categories, as you can see, like right over here on the left-hand side here, guys. You got lots of different categories. You just want to sort of fit it in where you believe it will work, depending on what your niche is, right? So I'm going to choose the people and blogs right here, because I don't see anything about, well, that's food is, that may be, that could be good. Travel, events, gaming, music, filming. Let's go with food is right there. Food eyes or whatever, I'm not sure. Geo-blocking, don't worry about that. You can just leave that as it is. You don't want to block out any countries. You want this open to all countries. Privacy, of course, you want it to be public, right? And then your age restriction, all ages can view this video. Leave that. And then your tags. You want to put tags in here, guys. So to do that, you can come over here to this site right here, guys. It's called Rapid Tags. You see it up here in the address bar. It's rapidtags.io. See that right there? rapidtags.io. And then these are free. This is free to use this. Let's see here. We're going to type in weight loss. Because that's not the title of it, but it's what the niche is. And you can see it gives us all the top weight loss tags right here, which is really cool. And that's pretty cool. This is what people are searching for about weight loss right here today. This is good stuff. And then you want to do is you want to simply click on copy right here, guys. And then we're going to bring it back over here to our video, and we're just going to simply paste those tags. You can see right here that all those tags are placed in there with commas, just like that. And that's what people will search for to find your video, right? When anything about weight loss, your video is going to come up for them to watch and read. And then here it says enable comments. If you want to have people comment on it, you can leave that enabled, or you can disable it. Probably just leave it at enabled. And then it's got us a thumbnail right here. Let's go click right here and see if there's any other thumbnails that we could use that might be a little bit better here. Yeah, we'll just go with this picture right here. And then all you got to do, guys, simply come down here and click. It's behind me here. Let me drag myself out of the way right here a little bit. You can see the publish button right here, guys. Once you get that all filled out, you just simply click on publish, just like that. Yeah, you can see that the video is being reviewed. Check back later. So once they review it, it'll be loaded up to the site, and then it'll become live on that site. And then when anybody searches for weight loss, guess whose video is going to come up? my video and, well, yours if you're using weight loss too, or anything like that. Guys, I recommend you do this method with as many products as you can. Many videos. You can use Instagram videos, or you can use YouTube videos, or any video that you want, actually. Just download it from the site that it's on, bring it over, make sure it's Creative Commons, and then you upload it here on this site with your affiliate product there in the description and your link there as well. All right, guys, that's the method I had for you today. Just do that over and over and over. If you like this method, reach down there and click that thumbs up button for me if you would. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions down below, and I'll get back with you on that. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and click that notification bell there too, so you get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you really want to understand and learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to reach down there below in the top of my video where it says mentorwithkev.com. And come over and check out the free video presentation that I have there for you that will show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer making thousands of dollars per day possibility. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple days or so with the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.